Hey everybody, Shane here from Heads and Tails, and today we're going to be searching Morph Market a little bit, talking a little bit about different genetics, codoms, recessives, stuff like that. I did get a email by one of our subscribers talking back and forth about his Ivory Het Clown or Ivory Clown. The problem is with an Ivory is you can't actually tell if it has clown or not because it's an all white snake. In order to get an Ivory, you need 2 copies of Yellow Belly. So either the mom and dad are both Yellow Belly, or if you have an Ivory, it can also just produce a straight Ivory. So we're going to look at some of the matchups we can go with for that female to see if we can help him along on his journey to be making awesome snakes. So let's go ahead and look at this one right away, the Pastel Leopard Fire Pinstripe Het Clown. Now this has a whole lot of genetics in it and none of them are yellow belly. That is really good because whenever he goes to breed his Ivory, it's going to pass on yellow belly no matter what. It might even pass on both copies of yellow belly, but a guaranteed one for sure. So this could end up making some pretty cool snakes and it's decently priced. That's not too bad. Let's see, we got a Firefly Enchi Het Clown. That's going to be a relatively good priced snake. It's going to have, being a Firefly, it'll be fire and pastel. It also has the Enchi gene, which I love the Enchi gene. Let's move on, see what else we got here. The Pastel Enchi Leopard. I do love Leopard. Leopard is cool. We got this one. I thought this was pretty cool. The Super Pastel Super Mojave Het Clown. That is going to be really cool if you take 2 white snakes and make crazy colorful snakes. I just think that's something neat to do. So, and him being Het Clown, you could always produce some clowns. So they could be Pastel, Mojave, Yellow Belly clowns. That would be pretty cool. I actually like that setup the most. Also, them being supers, let's go back to that real quick. So him having a Super Pastel and Super Mojave guarantees those babies to all have Yellow Belly, Pastel, and Mojave. And then they'll all be at least 66% Het Clown, if not 100% Het Clown or Clown. You could hit that on the genetics calculator. Let's actually go and hit that real quick and see what we end up with. If we take, I'm pretty sure I just explained it, but you never know. So an Ivory Het Clown. It could be a Het Clown or it could be an actual clown. All right, so you're going to get some Pastave Yellow Belly clowns and some Pastave Yellow Belly Het Clowns, which if you look these guys up, they're not cheap. That's for sure. Oops, that one's gone already, I guess. Well, that one was, hold on one second. This one is really what you'd end up with, the Pastave Yellow Belly Clown. Oops. Could end up with, I mean, and that's the thing is you could end up with any of these being super, kind of hoping not, but I mean, if you're into white snakes, you could make some colorful ones, you could make some white ones. The only thing you won't make is a normal. Anytime you take a super, that's the only snake you won't make is a normal. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back and see if there's any other snakes that really catch our eye. Ooh, this one did. I thought that one just, it looks so cool, and I think a little bit of yellow belly in there would make it really pop. Also, it's 100% Het Clown. You also have Het Hypo and Het VPI Exanthic. So as your collection grows, you can add in an Exanthic female or a Hypo female, and he'll be able to at least start you along that path of possibly having the Exanthic or Hypo in him. Not bad, $400 coming from California. Let's see here. We got the Enchi Pastel Double Het Desert Ghost and Clown. Okay, so right away, wow. That is ridiculously cheap for a Desert Ghost. Anything that is Het Desert Ghost is usually pretty dang expensive. So having Het Desert Ghost and Het Clown, that can make some really awesome snakes if you get the right female. Don't know that that's going to be the right female for the Ivory, though. GHI Lesser Pastel. So there are a few snakes out here that, well, there are a few genetics in ball pythons that are known to cause issues. Lesser being one of them. Lesser, the snakes will tend to have too big of eyes. Now, as far as genetic flaws go, I would say that's a lesser genetic flaw. Well, this is going to wrap up our episode. If you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments. Let me know what kind of genes you guys would want to see me go over, talk about different combinations, stuff like that. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.